I am all for cropping. In fact, I actually encourage people to crop liberally because cropping is a wonderful tool for self-expression and for creating a powerful composition. Take a look at this picture. I took this in Athens, Greece, and it's just one of the many street photographs that I really enjoyed taking because the city is so gritty and so perfect for street photography. In any case, when I was looking at this photo in my computer, I tried this crop, sort of a tight crop, and turned it into a vertical. But I realized that street photography, and I knew this, but it really came home to me at this point, that street photography needs to have what's called breathing room. Now, breathing room simply means that we need to see the surrounding areas to place the person in a context. For example, take a look at the signage in the background. Take a look at the extra deep shadows and the highlights. When I have this as a cropped picture, I really lose a sense of place. And this is very important for street and travel photography. So I would encourage you to use a wider angle lens than you are used to. That may be a little bit tricky because you're not used to being close to people and you feel that the longer lens is sort of a safety net. I understand that. However, a sense of place is really important to convey the emotional characteristics or the metaphors or the storyline within that picture. So that's why I kept the picture somewhat wide so we could see the actual street that this man was walking down. Okay, so just an FYI, 35mm equivalent lens is the standard for street photography, and that allows your viewer to appreciate the area that they're in. I hope that tip helped. And also, if you want to come to Greece with me, I am doing annual Greece photo workshops, and I'd love to have you with me. And we have a lot of fun learning photography, learning some editing, travel photography, street photography, architecture, and a whole bunch more. And that's at markhemmings.com. And I will see you in the next video. Happy photography.